All right, guys, these videos that we're going to do for the Jack Pack are very informal, so just bear with it. But it will be good information, I promise. Okay? So, once again, I want to explain the Jack Pack. It's literally to give back to people, it's literally to help the little guy. It's literally, it's unheard of. I've never heard of anybody helping anybody in this industry. So, you know, you don't have to be a food content creator, but it's directed to food content creators. All right. So anyway, we're gonna get started. Let's take it from the very beginning. Let's pretend we're starting out like we have no viewers. I don't know if you guys know, I used to DJ nightclubs, and I used to DJ nightclubs that were empty. Do you know how hard that is? It's all in your imagination. You have to imagine you're performing for 1 million people, period. So that's the attitude we're going to take from here on out. All right. First thing you want to do is get an email address. Go to Gmail, get an email for the show or the blog or the restaurant or whatever you're promoting. Get an email address and you'll work through that email address on everything related to your content. Then you want to go to the local paper, tell them you want to start a DBA under that. Or if you have a company name, go under the company name and then put the show under that. But it's easier to just do a company name regarding the show name or the blog name or the restaurant name or whatever. But anyway, so you're gonna, if you don't have a company already, start one. The way you do, once again, go to the local paper, fill out a piece of paper announcing you're doing business as. It's called a DBA. And then I think that's like $100 to $200. Back in the day, it was only like $80 when I did it, but I'm sure it's gone up a lot by now. Basically, the newspaper will announce for 4 weeks straight that you have created a company, allowing anybody to argue that point. Usually, nobody sees it because it's some wanky little, newspaper that nobody reads. But anyway, but it's legal. Once you're done making that company, then they're going to give you a receipt. The county recorder's office will send you a receipt saying that your company exists in the county. Then you're going to run with that receipt to your local bank and open an account specific for your project, whether it's, a dog food channel or whether it's a restaurant. And once again, any of the food products you're promoting. Do the company name, go down to the bank, open a bank account. After so many weeks, you'll get that receipt. All right. Those are the first steps. This is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk to you about marketing. I'm going to talk to you about merchandising. I'm going to talk to you about social media. I'm going to talk to you about my favorite word is free. You will understand that. I will tell you that. Free, 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 free. So it won't cost you any. So these videos will be great for everybody. All right. So I'm almost tempted to just like, if you're in the Jack Pack, I'll work with you one-on-one. But if you're not, I will show you the videos anyway because it's good information and it still applies. All right. So that's going to do it. I will see you guys when I see you. I'm going to try and do one video a week, maybe two. Something important comes up. All right. Give you guys a jump start. For those of you starting YouTube channels, look up the term tent pole videos. Once again, tent pole videos. And you're going to start doing those in the very first stages of your channel. All right. That's enough for now. Give you an idea what I'm talking about. It's all good stuff. I'd still recommend if somebody paid me to train them, I would tell them exactly what I just told you. But I'm going to give back. We're going to do this for free. You guys are going to love the information. It's going to be very helpful. One piece of information may not be, so you wait for the next week, and that one will be. All right. I love you guys. I'll be seeing you more in the Jack Pack, and we will talk then. Bye.